In the last video, we covered how to stake your algo for the governance period, and I promised that I'd make a video on Pact on how to earn extra yield. So let's take a look at Pact.fi. Let's go. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, really quickly, we are going to be on www.pact.fi. Okay, I'll do a quick overview of what Pact is. Pact is the home of liquidity on Algorand, the decentralized, automated market maker with a difference, giving 100% of liquidity pool fees back when you provide liquidity on Pact. Pact delivers the seamless integration of financial assets on Algorand's non-custodial decentralized platform, where secure, safe, and reliable DeFi is available to its ecosystem. Backed by key strategic partnerships, Pact is securely built from the ground up with the technical sophistication and assurance of Algorand's pure proof-of-stake mechanism. Block verification is selected at random, ensuring the integrity of every user transaction made on the platform. Striving for a greener future, Pact is equally committed to environmentally sound innovation and product development, fully endorsing Algorand's emissions initiatives toward a carbon negative approach. We leverage Algorand's speed, security, scalability, and carbon neutral features to bring forward-thinking technology to a lagging financial landscape. Welcome to Pact, the home of liquidity, powered by Algorand. Okay, if we go to the actual website, this is very unique in a couple of different ways I'm going to show you here in a second. First, we're going to take a look at, if we go to Folks Finance, it shows that my G-Algo is ready to go. So the G-Algo goes directly into your wallet. I am using the Para wallet mobile app because my algo was hacked, so we got to make sure we use a secure wallet. The best one that I've found is the Para wallet. So we go here, we see that we do have our rewards ready to go, and then the redeem, it shows we have 11 days 20 hours to commit to the governance still, and we can redeem our G-Algo for Algo in 81 days, 20 hours. So we got plenty of time to earn extra yield on Pact.fi, because I'm going to show you this. It's really cool. So if we go to the Pact.fi site and we go ahead and we open the app, there are going to be different places that you can go to pool your tokens, add liquidity, I should say. And then we're going to look at different farms. So the farm that I'm interested in is this G-Algo farm here. So it's paying out at 70%, 70.2% APR, which has gone down in the last couple of days because more people are getting into it because they're receiving their G-Algo. So they're going to get trading APR of 11.74%, and then the governance APR of 58.45%. So the 11.74% is from fees, from trading fees, because they said they give back the trading fees if you add liquidity. And the governance APR is 58.45%. And that's what we're going to do, because you do have to lock up your tokens for the same period of time as the governance to get that other APR. Okay, here's the cool part. So if we go to get PLP, so we're going to get the liquidity pair. You go down here, and I thought you had to pair your G-Algo with the same amount of algo. So I have 685 G-Algo here. I thought I had to have 685 algo to pair. This is like a zap in type thing. So you can literally just zap in however many G-Algo you want. So we'll just do it really quick. Let's do 100 and then hit confirm. and it's preparing to zap it in. Now I got to grab my phone because my pair of wallets on my phone. And then I have to sign the transaction on my phone and confirm that. But it's really cool that, you know, you don't have to split it up. You can just use those tokens and then they automatically split it up for you. It's similar to the zap in function that a lot of protocols have. So we already got our PLP. So if we go back to the farm, then we do have to stake it. So we'll go back here, we'll hit stake. Then we're going to stake 100%, then hit stake. And it's going to have another transaction that you have to complete on your Hedera wallet. As that goes through, it'll say stake successful. You can go back to the farms. It shows you how much you have staked, and then you have to do the other portion of it. So right now we would just be getting the 11.74% APR. So now if we go to commit to ALGO governance, that's where we would commit our tokens to that. So it says down here, this is the total value you declare as commitment to Algorand governance. After the commitment is submitted, it may take a while for it to appear on the governance website. By committing your PLP tokens, you'll become eligible for Algorand governance program. To remain eligible, you can't unstake your tokens while governance period is active. Same thing as when you're just staking your regular algo. So it's just showing you what's going to happen and telling you, you know, what the rules for the governance and why you get that extra APR. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put 100% and then hit commit. And then it's going to ask me to complete my transaction again. And I'll confirm it. And then it should show them committed here in a second. Commitment successful. You successfully committed LP token into Algorand governance. Okay, everything is staked. And just make sure you look out for the governance proposals so you can vote on them. And then the period ends to be able to get in the governance in 11 days, 18 hours. And then we're, let's see, 81 days is how long the farm lasts, and that's when the governance period is over. If there's anything that you can add to this, because I'm not, you know, a complete expert on ALGO, yeah, leave it in the comments. And please, if there's a low market cap gem that I'm missing, please leave it in the comments. You guys have been doing really good on those. I really appreciate it. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.